how to mount a garage hook or wall bracket for your bicycle and other tools. Okay, first you need to make some marking. Now there are 3 screws on this hook, so mark the 3 screws that we need to create a hole for the wall plug. Now we also need to mark on both sides here as well, so mark the 2 holes. Next, drill the hole and then put in the wall plug. The wall plug that I'm using is size 8. This is a drill bit that you need to use to drill your wall. Now put in the wall plug for the other holes as well. Now the size for the wall plug is size 8 that I'm using. Now it's time to mount the wall hook with the screws. So I'm using the big large screws here. And just screw it in. It is very sturdy once you screw it in, very strong. Make sure the screws are big enough and long enough to go all the way through. With this particular hook here, you can carry up to a maximum of 35 kilos. Now I'm going to put my bicycle on the hook and we can test it out. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.